Today we are going to discuss Grandma Climbs a Tree. ಈ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 4 marks. First point, this poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Second point, the poet called his grandmother a genius. She could climb any type of tree very quickly. Her age was 62 when she climbed a tree last time. She learned this skill from her loving brother at age of 6. Everyone suggested her to live gracefully. She declared that she would grow disgracefully but never gave it up. One day she climbed the tree but could not come down. She was rescued. Doctor suggested a week bed rest. She felt like living in hell for these 7 days. She became stronger and told her son to build a tree-top house. Her son agreed and made a tree-top house with help of poet. She lived there happily thereafter. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಈ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿನ ಬರೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ 4 marks ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.